Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show how to install PowerShell Serial Shutdown. I already have an unzipped file of PowerShell Serial Shutdown. Double click on that. Double click on PCSS setup. On yes. Select your language. Click OK. Go ahead with next. Read the license agreement and click on I agree. There are two ways for installer to detect your UPS. One is via auto detection and one is via manual detection. If you click on yes, auto detection will run and your UPS is selected automatically. If you click on no, manually you should select the respective UPS. So you can select the respective UPS prefix and click on next. Select the communication port you connected, either serial or USB. Click on next. This is the default install location of PowerShell Serial Shutdown. Go ahead with next and type your username and password. Click on install. For you be able to access PowerShell Serial Shutdown over the network, these entries need to be added to the Windows firewall. So click yes and continue. Click next and finish.